Okay, so we're gonna go to loose gravel, steep grade, waterfall lookout, overlook trail. Puohokamoa Falls Overlook.
Look at Jeannie, look at the fish. Where is she? Is this one is just
There's those banyan roots. I wonder how they'd be for... Oh, these shoes are much better than my other ones.
Are you serious?
So this is Keopuka Rock, featured in the opening scene of the original Jurassic Park movie. Where is this rock? Right here? Excuse me, or maybe it's down here. Look at this kind of palm. Autograph tree from the West Indies. So exotic means it's not from here. So wherever you live, or wherever you are, if the stuff is there that doesn't come from there, it's exotic. If it's native to there, it's not exotic, it's native. Okay, here we go. Ah. There we go, the waterfall we couldn't walk to. So let's see what we can see. Nice little breeze here too. Oh, there's a good view from there, I guess, as well. Isn't that nice to have an overlook building like this to look at it from? How perfect. For people whose knees and feet aren't working today. And hip. Yeah, the more I think about it, the less works. Better not think about it. I'll think about what does work. What does work? My mouth. I can talk. And my arms. My arms have no pain. And my hips don't have pain either. That's where I should have spent my while. That's beautiful down there, isn't it? This is Maui. Caution loose gravel, walk with care. Look at these plants. Some bromeliad. Look at this, some sort of a... these are all bugs, and this is in the center of it. Is that some sort of a spider? Let's see if I can go under it here. I don't see a spider at all. Very strange. Okay, we'll get that nice little tree house. Here's another spider web with another one of these things in the middle. Oh, it is a spider. Look at that. Huh. So there's the waterfall. I'm so glad I didn't hike down there. It's good for other people. Okay, let's check this guy out again. So is this a spider? Let's check. Looks like a flower. Oh, look. He's got legs that move. Okay, let's go under his web here. There he is. Let's check him again from this side. Uh-oh, I wrecked it. Look at him. Trying to get away. Two of them. Oh, one of them. Uh-oh, I wrecked your web. I'm so sorry. Interesting. I've never seen a spider of that sort before. Okay, I think they would like to go after their walk. These shoes are much better. You like my dress? I bought it at the harbor shops where a lot of things on for cheap. Well, they weren't cheap, but half price or something. So what kind of a palm tree is this? And look at this bromelia. Is it an air plant or is that the tree? This is another banyan. Oh my goodness, what's happened up there? Those are leaves or bark, I guess. Looks like fabric. No littering as compared to loitering.